In this video we will learn how to create and edit a site layout using the Mapper app. The site layout is a virtual map of the PV site that can be used in the monitoring platform for remote diagnostics. In the site list there are the following sections. On this device, sites that you opened and are saved on your device. Online, sites that are saved on the server and you have access to. To create the site layout, tap on the relevant site. The layout screen is currently empty. Tap the plus button to add system components to the layout. Tap Inverter to add a single inverter or tap Multiple Inverters. When adding multiple inverters, select the number of inverters you want to add, and their orientation. When finished, tap Add. Tap Module Group to add modules. Add a module group according to the site design. Select the number of modules per column, per row and whether the module orientation is landscape or vertical. Select the tilt and the azimuth. When finished, tap Add. If your site has multiple facets or more than one module groups, add more module groups as needed. Tap and drag a modules group to place them in the right location. To delete an element from the layout, long press on the element and drag it to the trash bin icon. To edit a group of modules, double tap it. You can change the tilt, azimuth and orientation. Tap Done to save. In case the site has obstacles, use the Hide and Show function. Tap the edit icon. Tap on the modules you want to hide. Tap Done. To unhide the modules, tap Edit and tap on the modules you want to unhide. You can always tap the Undo or Redo. You can fit the entire layout to your screen by tapping the Fit to Screen icon. You can also change the contrast mode according to your preferences. When the layout looks like the installation, you're done. Don't forget to save your work to the server. The Save option will save a draft of your work.